Hello traders, welcome to your Follow the Bots S&P 500 Daily Market Recap, sponsored by Zaner. Since 1980, Zaner has been helping futures, commodity, and forex traders trade smarter, faster, and easier.
Hello, I'm Bill Duryea, and welcome to the Daily Market Recap, a detailed view of the current market structure and the key support and resistance levels in the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract. Today is May 23rd, 2013. Having traded up to a new multi-year high on Wednesday at 1685, the S&P sold off late in the day and routed the current trading range. The market traded down below the 2- and 3-day low and sold off into the close, trading down to 1646 before upticking to 1650. The selling pressure that dominated Wednesday's session continued in the overnight Globex session. The S&P traded down to 1632, a decline of 23 points from the overnight high. The significance of the 1632 price level is that the rally that began on May 14th broke out above the prior high at 1632. Having sold off from the overnight high at 1658, the S&P upticked off the overnight low at 1632 and traded back up to 1644. The market traded in approximately a 10-point trading range for most of the overnight session. At Thursday's open, the S&P retested the low, auctioning down to 1634 before retesting the overnight high. At the open of Thursday's session, the S&P pulled back and retested support at the overnight low. Price discovery held support, and the market rallied 10 points up off the low to retest the overnight high. There was a minor pullback to 1638 before the market auctioned back up into Wednesday's trading range. The initial up move retraced 14 points back up to 1652. During the midday, there was a 9-point pullback to 1643 before the market auctioned back up to the intraday high and went on to make a modest higher high, trading 1654. There was a slight pullback prior to the close, but the S&P ended the session well up off the overnight low at 1650. Coming into Friday's session, the key support and resistance reference points are the major support level down at 1632, the micro support level, the minor pullback at the open at 1638, and another micro support level, the midday pullback at 1643. Above Thursday's close, resistance is at the overnight high at 1658, and the upper supply cluster, starting at 1670 up to the multi-year high at 1685, is the major resistance level. That concludes our daily recap. We thank you for joining us. If you're an intraday trader and would like to have a live update of the market activity, we encourage you to visit our website at www.followthebots.com.
For more information regarding Zaner's brokerage services, contact Neil Rogers, nrogers@zaner.com, 847-245-3318. This is Cuerva from Follow the Bots. Happy trading!